This is a Supreme Court judgment, civil appeal, and the main question of law that in this judgment Supreme Court decides is whether the principle of res judicata can be applied under Order 7 Rule 11. Now, just for clarification, res judicata, if you're a law student, you know what it is. It basically states if a matter has already been decided and worked out by any court of competence, then the same matter cannot be re-agitated before any other forum or tribunal. So, in simple language, if a matter has been decided, then it is decided. Again, the same matter cannot be retaken. Now, the Order 7, Rule 11 is an application for rejection of the plaint. Now, if you read Order 7, Rule 11, there are very specific grounds on which the court has jurisdiction to reject your claim. Now, the question here that is raised whether res judicata can be decided under Rule 11, Order 7. Supreme Court said no, it cannot be done. And I'll give you the logic behind it, why it cannot be done. I'll post the link in the description. If you want to read the full judgment, go ahead, read it. But here is the reasoning, the legal jurisprudence. The first thing you need to know the Order 7 Rule 11 and its position. Now, this rule is applicable at the very early stage of litigation. That means when you file your plaint and the plaint is before the judge. All of you know that in a plaint there could be some technical issues. For example, you haven't paid the court fee, then the plaint is rejected. It is sent for correction or for payment of the appropriate court fees. Maybe you are before a wrong forum. Maybe the subject matter is it should go before commercial court. Somehow you landed in civil court. Maybe the cause of action is not correct. You haven't stated the proper cause of action. So these are technical issues. These are not something wherein the court gets into the legal aspect of your subject matter. The jurisdiction, the court fee, the right tribunal or the right forum, these are all technical issues. So the Rule 11, the Order 7 Rule 11, only takes these technical elements into its account. It does not get into the legal, the merit of the case. That has to be decided later. So whether res judicata will be applicable or not, that will be decided during the trial, where court will look into whether this matter really falls within the parameters of res judicata. So that's why court said that this being this one can say that this is a technical qualifier. The Order 7 Rule 11 is a technical qualifier. So if all the technicalities, the court fees, jurisdiction, everything is fine, then it goes for the adjudication. And this whole res judicata business can only be adjudicated when the matter is being adjudicated. It cannot be decided on the surface or when the court is trying to evaluate whether it can really hear the matter or not. So that's why court said that no, res judicata, even if it is applicable, it cannot be decided under Rule 11, Order 7. That's it. Thank you.